Have you ever wondered how to change a contract after it's been signed? I'm going to tell you 2 ways to do that in this video. And if you stick around till the end, I'm going to tell you about my awesome new free resource for online brands when it comes to dealing with copycats online. I'm Maria Spira-Alice, lawyer for personal brands and online businesses, and this is the Spira IP Show. So the first way to change a contract after it's been signed is to update that original agreement with whatever term you want to change, and then have everyone sign it again. Your contract should have what's called a merger clause. That clause basically says this contract is the full and final version of an agreement between us and supersedes all other prior versions. In other words, this version takes the place of any other version of this contract. The second way is to create an amendment. An amendment amends the original version only to the extent of whatever is covered in that amendment. This can be good for things like an amended payment schedule, different deliverable due dates, changing an event date, hello 2020, anything in the original version that you want to amend. Pretty easy, right? So I hope that helps you to better understand 2 different ways to change a contract after it's already been signed. And I'll see you next time. I've got a great new free resource for online brands when dealing with copycats online. Head to the link below or in my bio and you will have access to that resource. It'll give you an idea of what you can say, what not to say, and a little checklist to run through before contacting that copycat yourself.